Okay, here we go with Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Guided Practice Solutions. First problem is 9/16. So very simple in the calculator, 9 divided by 16. Don't forget to put the 0 out front to accent the decimal. And we have 0.5625, which we would read as 5,625 ten-thousandths. Number 2 is -1, so right away we can put -1 over here. Do a little differently than the book does it. Just do the 29 divided by 40 in a calculator, and that gives you 0.725 or 725 one-thousandths. So it's -1 and 725 ten-thousandths. Number 3, we have 4, so we're going to move that over here, and 5/6, the 5 divided by 6 is 0.83 repeating. Couple of things in regard to this. Don't forget to use your repeater bar and be careful to only put it over the numbers that actually repeat. The 8 does not repeat here, just the 3. Number 4, we have 7 of 16, so that would be 7/16 in the calculator. That's 7 divided by 16. We get 0.4375. They want this to the ten-thousandths, so this would be the tens, hundreds, thousandths place would be right here. So we round up because of the 5, and our final answer is 438 one-thousandths. Number 5, we have 32 one-hundredths, which automatically tells us how to put it into a fraction, 32 over 100. Some of you might just divide by 2 in both cases and then realize they're still even and divide by 2 again, or some of you might have just gone right immediately to 4. Divide both by 4 and we get 8/25. Number 6, again we have a negative number, so put the negative sign right away. And notice it's 0.7 or 7/10 repeating. And remember, that's something we can just memorize, 7 over 9. So it's -7/9. And what I'd like you to do with some of these, like this one here, check it in a calculator. Put 8 divided by 25 after you've done it, and you need to get 32 one-hundredths. Put negative or even positive 7/9, and you will get 0.7 repeating. So you can double check your answers when you're moving from decimal to fraction. Check your fraction and make sure you get the decimal you started with. And number 7 asks, how can we tell if something is a rational number? And the easiest way to put it is that it can be written as a fraction, or it's written as a ratio between two numbers. So fraction, for example, 7/8. But some people forget that this is actually a rational number as well, because we can write that as 625 one-thousandths. 8 is also a rational number because we can write it as 8 over 1. And lastly, the square root of 16 is a rational number because the square root of 16 is, of course, 4, which could be written as 4 over 1.